Hi, it's Kelly, your AI coach from Ferret Software. In this video, I want to show you why there are two totals on an invoice in FactWeb, calculated and extracted, and what they mean. The extracted total is the value extracted from the PDF invoice by Dragon SaaS. This is usually the value the supplier is expecting to be paid. The calculated total is the result of all the line items. We do a calculated value as some clients manually add invoices to FactWeb, and there is no extracted value to export. Other clients may change the line items if they are not paying the full amount on the invoice. It is important to note that the calculated value is the value that will be exported to your accounting system, not the extracted total. If these two values are different for any reason, e.g., the invoice didn't have enough GST info on the PDF to extract correctly, FactWeb will highlight the calculated value in red as a warning to you that you might want to confirm if the invoice lines are correct, as you are exporting a different amount to the one extracted from the PDF. Often this can be changed easily in the line items to correct the issue. Just to clarify again, FactWeb will always export the calculated value, and if the value is not correct, you can amend the line items to suit. That's it for this video. Please check out our other videos for helpful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, please reach out to the support team at helpdesk@ferretsoftware.co.nz. Thank you!